Hello, today I would like to present you how to attach the battery/vertical grip onto your Sony Alpha A500 digital camera. The vertical grip gives you two great features. First of all, as the name implies, it gives you nice grip for taking a vertical picture. So if you are taking a lot of portraits, you've got your camera in the vertical orientation, and it gives you a shutter release button over there, and also the basic controls under your thumb. And also it allows you to fit two batteries at once, so you are going to be effectively doubling your battery runtime. First step is going to be removing the battery tray from your grip. We slide the door. Do not try to put your battery like this, because it's not going to be working. You have to remove the tray. You've got that blue release button, you slide it down and your battery tray came out. As you can see, you've got place to put two batteries, but it's going to be working with just one. But in my case, I'm going to feed one extra battery here. I'm going to open my camera door and I'm going to release my battery. And I'm going to feed my second battery into our tray. So as you can see, we've got a double sandwich. And now we are going to put it inside. Here you've got the connectors. You can see them also there. So the battery pack goes like this. It locks in place, and now you can secure your doors. Now we go back to our camera, and as you can see, those doors are in our way. We have to remove them. We've got a spring-loaded clip that we can pull just like that, and it's going to be releasing that. Here you can see that better. If I'm going to push it like that, it's hiding that element that is going to be catching. So we can revert and install it back the same way. So we press it, we go one side, we release it, and it nicely catch. So you've got absolutely no problem in removing that. We grab our doors, and since it is extremely important not to lose them, we've got a special port on our battery grip that is located over there, and we are going to be reversing the process. I'm going to be pressing our gray element, and as you can see, it click into place, and we can nicely secure it like this, and now we are not going to lose it. Now we are going to put everything back. As you can see here, we've got a tripod screw with ability to tie it using that knob. The battery goes into the battery compartment. The tripod screw match with our camera body, and we are nicely securing it in, just like that. And now we are ready to try it out. We have to be sure that our grip is set to on. Then we can turn on our camera. And now we are going to be able to take a shot by using our finger. So as you can see, we are going to create a picture. And as you can see, it works absolutely. This is how you can attach your vertical grip onto Sony 500 Alpha. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.